the church is also a democratic body. The church is not fascist. So everything that is written in a bulletin need not be endorsed by the top leadership of the church. If the NDA government does something which actually amounts to fascism, we are not here permanently glued to the BJP. We are also glued to an individual. We are saying that in the present circumstances, Parrikar is in the best position to deliver. The only candidate in the 23rd August by-election who can be chief minister is Manohar Parrikar. आता काँग्रेस पार्टीन एक कितें फायट करपाक जाय म्हणून केल्ली आहा, पूण काँग्रेस पार्टीन एक्चुली पणजेकारांचो इन्सल्ट केल्लो आहा. दे हॅव इन्सल्टेड द रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ एवरी पेंजीम सिटीजन. एज फार एज वी आर कन्सर्न, वी फील that the Congress is, as usual, it is confused. Everybody knows how united the Congress is, Congress legislature party is. The Congress manifesto says that we are going to save Mandavi. So, म्हाका अशें दिसता की actually Congress-in इलेक्शनाक candidates घालप नाशिल्लो. And I believe that the Panjim voter knows and does not have to be told. Yet, we have come here to reaffirm our unstinted support to Mr. Manohar Parrikar. But at the same time, he is a changed person now. He is willing to correct mistakes which people see as mistakes, certain steps taken by him or by his previous government. See, there is a drug mafia. Everybody knows that there is a drug mafia. People may be scared to actually spill the beans on them. So people require protection, they require some guarantee that what is being disclosed about this drug mafia will actually reach the powers that be and not the drug mafia itself. Which is why we have talked about forming squads in constituencies which are represented by MLAs of our party. And this drug industry's back should be broken. And to break it, everybody should be involved in it. So it could be because of unemployment, as Mr. Parrikar is saying. But the basic issue is that the mafia is making it reach the colleges, reach the schools. It has reached the hinterland of Goa today. So we will need a very strong effort to save Goa.
And I have clearly said that it is where the party is there, that we are there. And it is very clear, I have given a clear indication to all my workers, whoever supported me in my last elections, that we should wholeheartedly support Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Mr. Manohar Parrikar has not told me to campaign for him at all. But if he asks me to campaign, definitely I would. And as I said earlier also, Mr. Manohar Parrikar doesn't need anyone to campaign for him in Panjim. So it is, if Mr. Vijay says that he has changed, and it is always a welcome change. But you don't see. It is, I believe, you don't need to change. You need to deliver. See, main issue is not the casinos actually. I look at it. The main issue is the parking is the issue. People are feeling that the Mandavi river, basically the casinos are there because see, as far as parking is concerned, daytime you get parking, but night time you don't get parking. And especially this Fontaines area. That it is completely choked up. Say tomorrow if there is any untoward incident takes place, even for basically for ambulance to pass, you will not have a place.